Hey guys, welcome to Damos's Handy Workshop. So here we're changing the tap handle that's attached to the spindle because the threads come loose here, and then also we're changing the washer because the washer is worn out and leaking. So before changing any of these over, you can turn off the water, and you can either do that underneath the sink locally or then also outside where you're turning it off at the mains. So we have to turn it off in the mains. After that, it's always good to run the system dry, so you end up turning another tap on till it runs through. So now we're taking up the spindle here, and we're doing that in an anti-clockwise motion, and we have a little bit of excess water just dripping out, which isn't too bad. We can just clean that up with a cloth. So here's the old washer all worn out, and we just match it with the new ones, and we make sure that it's exactly the same size. So that looks perfect, and we open up a new pack. So here we've matched up the right spindle also with the right neck size and the right thread size, so that's all perfect and lines up as well. These usually come with a new washer also, but they're usually made of plastic instead of brass, and they don't usually last as long, so it's always good to have a brass washer, not the plastic one like this. So here I'm just matching the brass one to make sure that it's the same size, and it's perfect. So we're all ready to go. We stick the washer in the middle of the spindle here, and then we screw it in by hand till it's hand tight, and then we use the shifter to tighten it up nice and firmly. So all these items were picked up at the local hardware store, and you need to take in the old ones so that you can measure them up and make sure that they are sized up perfectly, because there are so many variations of spindles and washers. So here are the new tap handles that I picked up for about 30 bucks. The spindle was about 20 and the washer is about 12 or less. So all in all, you spend about $65. So I reckon you'd be saving you a few $100 or more by doing it yourself. So this is a good DIY. So here I'm using Loctite and sticking this on the cold water nut that goes on the end of the spindle. So that'll stop it from budging or coming loose, and making sure that the problem won't happen anytime soon. So now after doing it hand tight, we use a shifter and we are able to now secure it even more firmly. So now that that's done and completed, we can turn the mains back on. So we do that slowly, so not to force too much pressure through the pipes again. So you do it just a little bit at a time, and then you can increase the pressure so not to damage any of the pipes. So there you have it, new tap system running perfectly with no leaks. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.